Recite in the name of your Lord who created.
خلق الإنسان من علق
Created man from a clinging substance.
اقرأ وربك الأكرم
Recite, and your Lord is the most generous,
الذي علم بالقلم
who taught by the pen,
علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم
taught man that which he knew not.
كلا إن الإنسان ليطغى
No, but indeed man transgresses,
أن رآه استغنى
because he sees himself self-sufficient.
إن إلى ربك الرجعى
Indeed, to your Lord is the return.